Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Post Market Analysis. Today is a Wednesday, and it's May 22nd, 2024. Right now it's 7:36 p.m. And so first, let's look at how market behaved since the futures opened yesterday. So if we look at the futures, it opened yesterday, and it's pretty upbeat. And it seems like, well, this is kind of after about around 2 o'clock, or by the high point, this is kind of at 11 o'clock at night. And the future basically dripping down and down and down. And this is kind of around 6:30-ish, and it get down to this mid-level of previous day. And apparently it's been finding the support deal, and it come back a lot. Um, Now, when you get to the market open, so uh, it's kind of like so market opened down and somewhat kind of bearish, but it was able to move back above the close of yesterday, and it actually it's pretty kind of resilient, and it when kind of reached as high as a 53.23. And apparently it really tried to kind of touch the high and need to go above there. I guess because important earning release from like NVIDIA, so the market has been really cautious, and it seems like whenever it get to this all-time high, and people trying to kind of uh, take take some chips off the table. And this one is like around 11:45. If anything, that's like I don't know what else is happening here, but it seems like there's a freak out selling here, or it maybe just triggered the stop and it went all the way down here, and then um, but apparently this is 53.11 ish. That's the midpoint of the previous day, and it seems like it found a very strong support here. And it come back and almost make a new high, and except it was not able to get above this level. Um, and then later kind of it broke down, the kind of reattempted here, and it finally it broke down. It's really kind of hitting hard from here. So market seems like having trouble kind of going back above, and it get all the way down to 52.86, and finally found the support deal and kind of coming back up, and it's a really volatile. This is a pretty big bar, and in the morning, like the options pricing is pretty cheap, and opening here is kind of a all different kind of story. You see here the market going up and down, and we are talking about the movement like more than 10 points here. Actually, from this one to here, it's like a 15 points, going up and down 15 points, and up again another sort of like a 15 points, and it's kind of insane. And so well, apparently the NVIDIA release was good news, and market take a positivity, and right now the future is already up by about 12 points. So basically we are talking about is back around at this 53.20 level. So my take is that uh, tomorrow very likely is going to gap up. Now where is going to open, and it will be interesting if say it gap up, and by how much. These are the levels that I look at kind of in the last few days, and also from today, and I draw it out. And I believe going above, it will be, of course, it could also going back down here. If it's going back down, it's going to, pretty sure it's going to go below this like a 52.70 level. But I think that at this point is it should be, again, market could do whatever it wants, right? So, but I would like to focus on the going above the scenario. So market could possibly move 50 or 60 points tomorrow, and today it moved like 37 points. So it's kind of a 1.5 times of the average move in the last few days. And tomorrow it could be, yes, it could easily be the double of the last few days, the average last few days. So tomorrow we are talking about probably 50 points at least. That's my take. So if we say 50 points, that means like it really could be shooting for this 53.60 level. So very likely it will be going above this 53.50 level. So that's my take. And of course, first you have to get through this area, 53.40 area, and going downside. And of course, it could go all the way below this 52.70. And if we are looking at the 50 points level, that means like going down here is basically it's like a 52.50 level. So just keep that in mind. That's for sure is not a golden rule, but I don't know. That's based on my understanding of what how much market could move tomorrow, and that's likely to happen. Kind of a two scenario, and of course it could be flat, but not likely. And if it's going to flat, probably kind of by the end of the day it come back to become flat. So let's look at the calendar quickly. Apparently today, like at 2 o'clock, because of FOMC, it's really rocked the market. And however, it's a very weird day today. It's like from the options pricing perspective, in the morning, it seems like everything's have been priced in, nobody care, and it's going to be very calm. But the things change dramatically. Like it seems like this is after, I would say this after like 11:45-ish. I don't know exactly what happened here. I just know what had happened and what was happening then. Now tomorrow is a Thursday, and here is so 8:30 have that Chicago Fed National Activity Index, and then jobless claim, and yeah, job data, and also 9:45 has like a PMI flash, like PMI flash data coming out. 10 o'clock have the home sales data, and also natural gas inventory. And 11 o'clock have the Kansas Fed composite index and manufacturing index as well. 11:30 as usual have the like a treasury auctions. 12 o'clock have like a mortgage rate, and 1 o'clock have 10 years tips auction, and 3 o'clock have a Fed Bostic speech, and it'll be interesting. So many Fed speech this week, but I think this could. I'm not sure whether how much market going to care about that one, but everything's we just don't know. Uh, uh, and then 11:35 p.m. at night, it says that there's a building permits data coming out as well. So it's interesting. I would say I look forward to see that how tomorrow is going to unfold, and likelihood tomorrow should be more would not be this choppy, but we never know. Um, we'll see. Thank you. Uh, with that said, that's all I have to share with you all, and wish you all the best. And and may the honor be with you all the time. Thank you. Bye.